Hey, I'm Matias with Toast. We've got another exciting unboxing video for you. We're all working with masks and everything, but since it's just the two of us, me and Justin, I think I can take this off. So we've got the brand new iPhone SE 2nd generation just launched today from Apple. So we're gonna open this up, take a look, see what it looks like. Alright, so there we go. It looks familiar. Alright, so we've got the classic looking iPhone 8 look to it. Slightly bigger Apple logo, I think, in the middle there. The camera, I don't remember if it's that strong metal bezel was on there. Probably. And then onto the front, we've got our old familiar home button, which is nice to see again. And yeah, it's pretty much your classic iPhone 8. It maybe feels a little thinner, honestly, than the iPhone 8s. I think they got a little bit chunkier when they got the haptic touch or something in there in the screen. So looking pretty good. This is smoking deal for 400 bucks. Brand new iPhone with the latest processor and everything. We're gonna take a look at this, bring in the back into the shop, start laser cutting, some testing, and develop a cover for this one ASAP. And stay tuned because we are actually going to be giving this away. So if you like these videos, remember to like them and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.